Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Security and going straight to Virus and Threat Protection. This is the quickest way to stop active scanning. Once there, select Manage Settings and switch Real-Time Protection off. Doing that immediately pauses the Antimalware Service Executable. Make sure you are signed in with an administrator account, because only admins can change these protections. Also keep in mind this is temporary, which helps avoid breaking system integrity while you prepare the next steps. Next, you decide which persistent method to use, group policy or services. If you have Pro or Enterprise, open gpedit. MSC, browse to Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Windows Defender Antivirus, and enable the policy to turn off Defender. This prevents MS/MP-eng from restarting. If you lack gpedit, open Services. MSC, locate the Windows Defender Antivirus Service, and try to stop and set its startup type to Disabled. If Services refuses, prepare to edit the registry with care as an alternative. Finally, implement the registry or policy change, and then reboot so the system applies your setting. For registry, create Disable Anti-Spyware DWORD equals 1 under HKLM/software/policies /Microsoft/Windows Defender. After restart, open Task Manager to confirm MS/MP-eng is not running. If you see problems, unexpected behavior, network warnings, or inability to install apps, immediately re-enable real-time protection and reverse the registry or policy change. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes conflicts caused by disabling Defender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.